सावधान, सिद्ध, ब्रह्मनाथ। शांति शांति शांति।
Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to my class. Okay, in last class I had discussed some accounting equations. Okay, so accounting equation chapter has been completed. So the chapter 2, that is your accounting equation and basic accounting system. Okay, so accounting equation topic has been covered, or accounting equation topic has been completed. The second topic of chapter 2 is what? Basic accounting system. Okay, so before discussing accounting system, or before knowing something about accounting system, you should make some notes regarding accounting system. Okay, so today I am going to dictate some notes related to accounting system. Okay, so give main heading accounting system. Give main heading accounting system. Okay. Next, give side heading, that is introduction and meaning. Introduction and meaning. Okay. Write down. There are two system of accounting. There are two system of accounting followed, FOLLOWED, followed for recording business transaction. Followed for recording business transaction. Full stop. These are THESE. These are number 1. Give one number and write single entry system. Number 2, double entry system. Number 2, double entry system. SINGLE, single entry system. Number 2, double entry system. DUBLE, double entry system. Okay. So give side heading single entry system. Give side heading single entry system. Okay, write down. Any system of accounting that doesn't follow follow the double entry system. Is termed as termed as single entry system. Full stop. Again I repeat, any system of accounting that doesn't follow the double entry system is termed as single entry system. Full stop. Then continue. It refers, refers a system of accounting A system of accounting where WHERE, where cash book, CASH, cash book, BOOK, book. Cash book is prepared, 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 and no other ledgers, LEDGERS, no other ledgers are prepared, 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 accepting, EXCEPTING, accepting, personal account, personal account, full stop. It is an admixture, ADMIXTURE, admixture of single entry, comma double entry, single entry, comma double entry, and no entry system, single entry, comma double entry, and no entry system, full stop. Full stop. Next, full stop, continue. This method is sometimes called as inverted comma start, accounts from incomplete records, inverted comma close, accounts from incomplete records, inverted comma close, full stop. Next side heading, features of FEATURES, features of single entry system, okay. You should write the features by points, okay. First point, that is point number 1. All transactions are not recorded. All transactions are not recorded. All transactions are not recorded as per ASPER, as per double entry system, as per double entry system, full stop. Then point number 2. Cash book is prepared, prepared, showing SHOWING, showing receipts, 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 and Payments of cash. Receipts and payments of cash. Third point. No other ledgers, LEDGERS, no other ledgers excepting EXCEPTING, excepting personal accounts are maintained, 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 full stop. Next point, that is point number 4. Personal accounts are maintained, MAINTAINED, maintained under dual aspect basis, DUAL, dual aspect, ASPECT, aspect basis, full stop. Next point, that is point number 5. Cash book is recorded under one aspect basis, ASPECT, one aspect basis, full stop. Point number 6. Next point, that is point number 6. Write down. It is an incomplete and it is an incomplete, INCOMPLETE, incomplete and unscientific, UNSCIENTIFIC, unscientific method of recording transactions, full stop. Next point, there is there is no provision, PROVISION, no provision for, there is no provision for, PROVISION, provision for entry for, no provision for entry for internal transactions. There is no provision for entry for internal transactions, full stop. Okay, these are the notes relating to single entry system. Okay, so give next side heading, that is double entry system. Okay. Okay, write down, give side heading double entry system. Okay, write down, a system of accounting which records both the aspects 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 of a transaction is termed as double entry system. Full stop. Then continue. Technically, 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 comma, in a double entry system, both the debit and credit aspects 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 of a transaction are recorded. Full stop. Technically, in a double entry system, both the debit and credit aspect of a transactions are recorded. Full stop. This system of accounting believes believes that the total of all debits must be equal to the total of all credits. Full stop. Full stop. Okay. Next side heading. Features of double entry system. FEATURES. Features of double entry system. Okay, first point number 1. This system records the dual aspects of dual aspects ASPECTS, dual aspects of each transaction, that is I.E. that is the receiving aspect RECEIVING, receiving aspect ASPECT, and the giving aspect GIVING, giving aspect ASPECT. Full stop. Full stop. Second point. The receiving aspect ASPECT, the receiving aspect must be equal to the giving aspects in terms of money. Full stop. Continue. In other in other words, comma, every debit has a corresponding 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 credit of equal amount, full stop. Next point, that is point number 3. At least, ATLEAST, at least 2 accounts are involved, TWO, 2 accounts are involved in each transaction. 2 accounts are involved in each transaction. Full stop. Next point. It facilitates, FACILITATES, facilitates checking of arithmetical accuracy, ARITHMETICAL, arithmetical accuracy, 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 full stop. Next point. It provides a complete record of each transaction. It provides a complete record of each transaction. Full stop. Next point. Each account has 2 sides, TWO, 2 sides. Give hyphen left, LEFT, ब्रैकेट में लिखो डेबिट, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, एंड राइट, RIGHT, राइट, ब्रैकेट में लिखो क्रेडिट, full stop. Okay, this is all about notes related to single entry system and double entry system. Okay, advantages and disadvantages of single entry system and double entry system. आप सबके पास बुक होगा NPH, तो आप उस बुक्स में एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ सिंगल एंट्री सिस्टम एंड डबल एंट्री सिस्टम लिख लेना, और जिसके पास बुक नहीं है मुझे इन्फॉर्म करना, मैं पिक सेंड कर दूंगी. ठीक है. सो दिस नोट्स विल बी डिस्कस्ड इन टुमारोज क्लास और नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, थैंक यू.